Rajya Sabha on Thursday will bid farewell to 72 members retiring from the House who will be retiring from their services till August this year. Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu announced in the House on Wednesday that 0 hour and question hour will not be taken up in the House on Thursday so as to enable the leaders and members to speak on the occasion. Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Leader of the House, Leader of the Opposition, leaders of various parties and several of the retiring members will speak in the House on the occasion. Naidu will host a dinner on Thursday for all the members of the Rajya Sabha on the occasion at his official residence. Mementos will be presented to all the 72 retiring members and another 19 who retired earlier and could not receive it. The senior officials of the Rajya Sabha Secretariat have said that the members of the House will showcase their cultural talents after 20 years at such an occasion.